bener también para como udah mau yang kamu on the channel on the YouTube.
How am I supposed to record this? Just give me my money.
Yeah.
Just give me my money. Yay! Give me my money.
Yeah.
Give me my money.
Give me my money. Dengan
Apa dan aku? Bye.
Give me my money.
Yay! Anh nga dầu money. Anh lấy dầu money.
Yeah.
Ano yung umani? Magkanawi.
Papaya, oh papaya, puta Daisy, puta Daisy, puta Daisy. Ay 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 ay, gimme, Ottawa, Osakapusa. Oh papaya, oh papaya, oh papaya.
Give me my money. Again. Set. Ngai mo ang game mina ni. Ang kita apa ni?
No.
Aku nak situ nanti kai. Nah, kau. Give me my money. Yay. Get. Angge mo. Set.
And jealousy becomes a factor. Best friends at your wife's house trying to mac her. I'm on tour, but still ain't keep on knocking at my door. And I got no time to worry, I'm steady wanting more. Every day it's a test, yes. I try hard, but I'm struggling with every breath. I pray to God that the woman that I left at home all alone ain't nothing like trying to bone. Over the phone in my mind I can see her naked. I can't take it, got me shaking at the thought that we can make it. I thought you knew.
Promise that I can. Things will go better if you just hold my hand. Nothing can come between us if you just hold my hand.
I call you up long distance on the telephone, wanna tuck you in even though I can't make it home. I whisper things in your ear like you're near me. Wonder if you feel me from far away and can you hear me? It seems to me that you're jealous cause I'm hustling and making money with the fellas in the back streets trying to track me. Baby, hold up, thugs get lonely too, but I'm a soldier. And there's no way I'ma stop making money cause your attitude's changed and you're acting a little funny. Always complaining, saying we don't spend time. Can't you see I got enough stress on my mind? And hanging up like you all that? Then get mad when I tell you that I'm busy, baby, call back. Please, ain't nothing left to say to you, thugs get lonely too. You know.
Hold my hand. Baby, I promise that I can. Things will go better if you just
talking out loud to you. Like it there, take your picture out my back pocket. Man, it's on you, the first face I wanna see. When I get home, wanna love you till the sunrise. Buck wild, touching every wall in the house. Thug style, put your hands on the headboard. Think of me dripping sweat on top of you. Sink and see it's in your head that I'm making love. So turn the lights down, reminisce and relax, cause baby right now I feel it in the middle of my stomach. You whisper in my ear, baby, tell me how you really want it. Hold on tightly, watch the ceiling, scratch my back, how you react, let me know you feel me. Cause everything I'm giving to you is so true, and thugs get lonely too, you know.
Hold my hand, baby, I promise that I'll do all I can. Things will go better if you just hold my hand. Nothing can come between us if you just hold my hand. Hold my hand. I can tell that you're tired of being lonely. Take my hand, don't let go, baby, hold me. Come to me and let me be your one and only. Cause I can make it alright till the morning. I can tell that you're tired of being lonely. Take my hand, don't let go, baby, hold me.